welcome back to episode 2 of the Booked by Email miniseries. Today we are talking about why your pitches are not getting replies and what you can do to fix them. In this miniseries, I am sharing practical tips and real stories on how to pitch to fashion brands in a way that gets you as a photographer actually booked paid work and not just being ghosted or getting emails that say thanks but no thanks. So if you've ever sent out a pitch email and you've heard nothing back, trust me, you're not alone. It's happened to me. But today I'm going to walk you through the 3 reasons why your pitches aren't getting replies and what you can do to fix them. So I want to start with a truth bomb, and that is that no doesn't always mean no. It might just mean you emailed the wrong person at the wrong time or with the wrong approach. Here is what could be happening. Number 1, you pitched to the wrong person. This one is really major. You could write the most beautifully thought out, incredible pitch email ever, but if it does not land in the correct inbox, it is going to get ignored. If that person does not hire photographers, you are not going to get booked. So how do you fix it? You do research. You find out who is the right person to email. And those people are art directors, creative directors, producers, social media managers, and those are the people that you want to send your emails to. I teach inside of the Success Studio the entire method on how to find those people and how to make sure you're sending the email to the right person. It doesn't take hours, it doesn't need to be awkward, and you don't need to feel like a stalker. But quick tip for now, start with looking at the website footer, because sometimes it's quite literally listed down there, or head to LinkedIn and look at LinkedIn job titles. It's a game changer. Okay, the next reason. Your portfolio just might not be aligned. If you're sending dreamy, romantic, pretty work to a edgy, luxury, dark, moody brand, they're just going to ignore you. Not because your work is bad, because it's not, but because they can't see how you can work for them. They're like, this is so beyond what we do. I can't visualize how this person could be a fit for us. So how do you fix that? You only pitch to brands where your work already feels like it's a fit. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be complementary. It has to be on brand and it has to be aligned. Does that mean that if you are in a pivot stage, you can't be pitching? No, you can carry on pitching if you're building a new portfolio, but pitch to brands where your current portfolio is kind of sitting and know that in future you will start to pitch to other brands. But to get work right now, pitch to brands that are aligned with the work that you currently have. This is why inside of the Success Studio, I spend so much time going over style and portfolio curation. Because it's so important. It is the foundational piece of all of your success. If you pitch to a brand without the right supporting visuals, you're quite literally bringing a spoon to a knife fight. It's just not going to work. Okay, the third reason why you might not be hearing back from brands when you pitch to them is, and this is the biggest one, you've sent one pitch, you've heard crickets, and you've never emailed them again. You've just assumed that they are not interested. But let me tell you one thing. People are busy. Emails get buried in endless seas of emails. They get opened while they're on the go, on their phone, getting lunch, they think about it, and then they forget about you. You're not being ignored, you're just not top of mind, and that is normal. So how do you fix it? You follow up. Very simply, very politely, and very professionally. I always recommend 1 week later, and as I always say, the magic is in the follow-up. Again, inside of the Steal My Client Emails free templates, there is an entire email on how to follow up. And inside of the Success Studio, following up is one of the key lessons in the program. I go over in depth how to follow up with brands, exactly what you need to do, and why they are so crucial. You will literally see when you start doing this how much of an impact it has. So, a quick recap. If your pitches are not getting replies, double check who you're sending them to, make sure your portfolio is aligned to the brand you've sent it to, and make sure you follow up. Those are the things that you can control. You don't have to just be at the mercy of luck or being discovered. Inside of the Success Studio, I go into so much depth on every single one of these aspects. I show you how to build a list of contacts to pitch to. I show you how to curate your portfolio so that it gets the right attention. I show you how to write follow-ups that really work, and I show you how to handle replies like an absolute pro. Because honestly, pitching is just a skill and it's one that you can learn really fast. The doors open to the Success Studio on August 13th, and you want to be on the waitlist because I have an insane bonus that is going to be available only to people who sign up who are on the waitlist. So make sure you're on that waitlist so that you get it. It's social media related, just saying. The link is below if you want to sign up to the waitlist. Simple as. Next time, we are going to be talking about the mindset shift that changed everything for me when it came to pitching. It is life-changing, quite literally. Can't wait to share that one with you. See you on the waitlist, and I'll see you in the next one.